Okay, students, we stopped in the last class. We discussed about weather, climate, and adaptation. Okay. Now, from this adaptation, we were discussing about the adaptation. Okay, now. So basically, three geographical conditions we have. You can see in your globe or in your atlas the three regions, that is polar region, tropical rainforest, and hot desert. Okay, these are the three geographical zone. These are the three geographical zone having different climatic condition. Okay. Now, as I told you, what is climate? I told you the average weather condition is called climate. So, in polar region, as you know, in this globe, in this earth, we have two poles, North Pole and South Pole. Pole is the extreme point of the earth. So, it is very difficult to reach the sunshine. So, these two regions, North Pole and South Pole, most of the years remain freezed. You can see the big layer, a thick layer of ice in this polar region. So, it is very clear that it is very cold, very cold. So, the animals to climate. The topic is animals to climate. So, the animals in these climate having different way of living, different food habit, different body structure, so that they can adjust, so that they can survive. Okay, now the second one is tropical rainforest. Again, animal to climate. Tropical rainforest. This is the area where heavy rainfall, dense forest. So, according to this geographical condition, animals are different. So, those animals who enjoy this area cannot come in this area because it cannot survive here. That's why it cannot come. Now, hot desert. It is in our Rajasthan also. Hot desert. You know, in this desert, temperature goes up to 50 plus, where our soldiers can bake papad on simple sand. They can make omelette just putting a plate on this sand and just break the egg and omelette is ready. Think how temperature it is. So the animals. So the animals of this hot desert are different from this. Understood? So these are the three geographical area where the animals having different quality, having different ability, having different feature, so that they can adjust in these geographical condition. And if any animals cannot adjust these extreme condition, they migrate. Another word, migrate. Now the word is migration. Again I said TION means the process. So migration is the process by which any animals moves from one place to another place for their survival. In search of food or shelter. Okay. You also know that the Siberian crane comes from Siberia to India. How far? And they come for their laying eggs, because in that extreme climate their eggs cannot survive. That's why they migrate. So the word is the migration is the process by which any animals change their place for what? For their survival, for their food and shelter. So these three things are here: polar region, tropical rainforest and hot desert. These three geographical conditions having different climate means different weather condition. Weather condition means, now what are the components? Rainfall, temperature, speed of wind. Okay, these main three things are responsible for the weather condition. Okay student, I hope all of you enjoyed this chapter. Many more things you have to study in this chapter, very interesting chapter. So please go through it. Have a nice day to all.